So it's about time for an update on the hybrid Frankenstein Honda Trials bike I've been building over this series. So it's a year now, and we'll give you an update as to how the bike's gone, what modifications we've done, and what's coming up in the new year. First of all, very successful year. We actually managed to win the series on this bike, so twin shock series. Overall points for the club for the year resulted in a nice trophy, nice cup to keep for a year, get engraved, and compete for it again next year. So what's been good? So what have we done? A few modifications actually. Quite a bit of work has been done on the brakes, especially the front brake, in the last couple of months. So we have changed our pads to softer, grippier compound, and working well as you can see, we've done some modifications on the spring just to give the feel of the brake and the return a nice feel. Those are actually just 3D printed spacers in PETG, and just holds the spring outside the cable and gives it a nice action. The high temperature paint's taken a real hiding, so that will come off over the holiday break and get a recoat, bring it back to the sort of cast metal-y look that it was before. We're still working on the carbon tank. The plug for the tank is sitting on the second frame. It's slowly coming together. We've had so much else on that that will come back on stream in the new year. Also adding 12 volt to it, so we've built a lithium 12 volt battery pack using 18650 cells, and that's going to run through a buck converter, so we'll have a few extra functions. We've smashed a few of the tacho hour meters. We've smashed a couple of the tacho hour meters, so in the process of building a dash stroke box that will protect it a little bit more. This is the second version. How would you put it? The gluing in of the LCD panel was a little bit rough. Here's an earlier one that we built, was a little bit small, and we'll spit out another version in carbon fiber. In ABS over the brake as well. Also on the list of things to do, we're going to lengthen the clutch actuator arm. At the moment it's a little bit stiff, so we'll add 10 mil on the arm down here so that we can get a little bit of a lighter clutch lever. Still running the first set of carbon guards, the ones that we did as a test out of the mold. We've got the good mint ones just sitting over here, but they've actually taken a real hiding. Front one also still the original. Took a big tumble down a bank, so that smashed and literally just epoxy glued it back together. Oh, that's broken up again, but man, these things have taken a hiding. So this bike's had a few big tumbles down banks. The seat will be carbon fiber as well, so that needs to be added to the list of stuff to do. This engine is running the 150 barrel and piston, so I think I'm going to stay with that, and I maybe just the other engine I'll stroke to 223 with the big bore kit. But this has been very reliable and very torquey. We're now running 9 tooth on the front. We're running 10 for the first half of the series, and then it dropped down to 9. Either or. Going for 9 just gives us a little bit more option to use second gear on some of the steeper stuff a little bit more. I've 3D printed the lightweight cover, so few modifications on that file, and this should be fitting nice. Ooh. This is one of the ABS covers. Still a little bit of work to do with on the file to get it to fit nicely. It's a little bit proud there, so we need to drop it in a little bit and reduce it, but nice and light, good protection compared to the big aluminium one. Quite a bit of weight saving. Well, I think that's about it for the year. Good result, winning the trophy for the twin shock class, and the bike's done exceptionally well. So we'll start putting a few more projects together. Cheers. Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.